The path wound through the familiar trees behind my central Texas home, but today, a new presence punctuated the dappled sunlight. There, nestled amongst the whispering leaves and the gentle murmur of the nearby creek, stood the Nook. It wasn't just a building, it was a tangible manifestation of years spent dreaming, designing, and meticulously crafting. As an experiential hospitality developer and an artist, my work often blurs the lines between form and function, and the Nook was the purest expression of that philosophy yet. It felt less like a structure and more like a natural extension of the woods, its charred cedar exterior a dark, elegant echo of the surrounding tree trunks. Stepping onto the cantilevered wood deck, which seemed to float effortlessly above the creek's edge, a sense of profound tranquility washed over me. The air was fresh and carried the earthy scent of damp soil and pine needles. Inside, the simplicity of the design fostered a sense of calm. Light flooded through the expansive glass walls, blurring the boundaries between the interior and the vibrant green world outside. The smooth, pale white oak finishes created a serene backdrop, while the grounding presence of local Texas limestone anchored the space. Every element, from the placement of the windows to the custom-built shelving, had been considered with an artist's eye and a developer's understanding of optimal use. The Nook was more than just a beautiful space, it was a versatile sanctuary. I could envision it as a unique and unforgettable guest stay, offering visitors an immersive experience in nature. Equally, it could function as a focused and inspiring office, the natural light and serene surroundings fostering creativity. As an art studio, the clean lines and abundant light would provide the perfect environment for any medium. And, of course, a part of me longed to simply call it home, a personal retreat where inspiration and peace intertwined. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Nook was its inherent potential. Designed with mobility in mind, it wasn't tethered to this specific patch of Texas soil. And now, with professionally drafted plans in hand, the possibility of others experiencing their own version of the Nook felt incredibly rewarding. It was an invitation to embrace simplicity, connect with nature, and create a space that could adapt to any purpose. A testament to the beautiful synergy of thoughtful design and the enduring allure of the natural world. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you got something valuable out of this. Until next time, take care.